Some lawmakers are alarmed after watching video of that second strike on an alleged drug boat. Many are now demanding for further investigation into what happened. Admiral Frank Bradley appeared in front of lawmakers who oversee national security yesterday for a series of closed-door briefings. Now, Bradley told lawmakers there was not a kill-them-all order from Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth, which was originally reported. Now, Hegseth has denied this claim and also said they could not see survivors from the first attack, and even if they could, it was the fog of war. Some lawmakers described video they watched saying it was clear there were two people clinging to the top of a tiny boat that was capsized.
Even if you accept all of the questionable legal premises around this mission, around these strikes, it's still very hard to imagine how these two were returning to any sort of fight in that condition.
I didn't see anything disturbing about it. What's disturbing to me is that millions of Americans have died from drugs being run to America by these cartels.
The U.S. military had paused strikes for about 3 weeks, but yesterday U.S. Southern Command announced it conducted another strike on an alleged drug smuggling boat, killing 4 people. Now back to the fallout from the briefing. Some Democrats are now demanding the release of the full video from the September 2nd attack and written records of the orders about the mission from Hegseth. In Washington, I'm Rachel Hersheimer.